Welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. Today, we're diving into the magical world of Christmas front porches. So whether you're hosting friends and family or simply want to spread holiday cheer to your neighborhood, a beautifully decorated front porch really sets the tone for the season. Let's explore some gorgeous ideas to transform your front porch into a winter wonderland. First, let's talk about classic elegance. Think lush green garlands draped over door frames, wreaths adorned with red berries and ribbons, and white twinkling lights. This timeless look never goes out of style, never disappoints, and brings warmth to any home. To recreate this, focus on natural materials like pine, cedar, or eucalyptus garlands, and pair them with simple yet striking accents like bows or ornaments. I think this is the style that when most people think of Christmas, they think of this. But not everybody wants this. Now for those who love a cozy rustic vibe, consider incorporating elements like vintage lanterns, wooden crates, and plaid blankets. Stack firewood neatly by the door, or use it as part of your decor to evoke a cabin-like charm. And if you're in certain parts of the country, it actually may come in handy because you can literally use it in your fireplace. Add burlap bows and warm glowing candles in hurricane jars for that extra touch of magic. But I will say, from a safety standpoint, try to shoot for the LED candles. It just seems like a lot safer than having real candles at your front door. So if you're more into bold, playful designs, why not go for a whimsical theme? Oversized ornaments, candy cane stripes, and colorful lights can create a joyful experience. This always reminds me of like stepping right into Candyland. Use giant nutcrackers or inflatable snowman as statement pieces. This look is perfect for families with kids or anyone who loves to go all out for the holidays. Maximalist, I am looking at you right now. For those who prefer a more subtle, elegant look, a minimalist Christmas porch might be just the thing. Stick to a neutral color palette: white, gold, and soft greens. A simple wreath, potted trees with fairy lights, and understated lanterns can create a serene and sophisticated entrance. Farmhouse lovers, rejoice! Galvanized buckets filled with pine cones or seasonal florals, chalkboard signs with holiday greetings, and string lights really create the perfect rustic holiday porch. So a lot of what you are doing for rustic really can be done for farmhouse, to be honest. Incorporate distressed wooden signs and vintage inspired sleds for that charming farmhouse appeal. You can easily go to places like thrift stores or the Goodwill to find like old damaged things that nobody would take a second look at, but with a little love and TLC, you can have it on your porch and it will work beautifully. And the great thing about farmhouse and rustic is that the more beat up a piece is or distressed it is, the more it works for this style. For a more contemporary look, try modern Christmas decor. Use clean lines and geometric shapes with a monochrome color scheme. Black, white, and metallics like silver or gold really create a sleek, polished appearance. Add potted evergreens and minimalist planters and decorate with simple yet bold ornaments. Now, I know I've thrown a lot of options at you, but you don't have to break the bank to achieve a stunning porch. DIY decorations are a really fun way to personalize your space. Try crafting your own wreaths, painting wooden signs, or making garlands from dried oranges and cinnamon sticks for a natural touch. Of course, I saw a front porch that actually had the garland, and they had used stringed popcorn to kind of accent it, and it was so simple but so beautiful. That would go great with farmhouse and rustic as well. And let's not forget the importance of lighting. I think in every category I've talked about, like the little fairy lights, and they work really well for almost everything. Warm, soft lights can make any porch feel magical. Whether you use string lights or lanterns or even solar powered options, lighting adds depth and coziness to your design. And of course, don't underestimate the power of a festive doormat. A simple Merry Christmas or Let It Snow can really tie your entire porch together and make your guests feel welcome the moment that they arrived. And of course, it's going to get a lot of dirt and dust off their shoes, so you won't have to sweep as much. The beauty of decorating your front porch is that it not only spreads joy to your family, but also to your community. A well-decorated porch can inspire neighbors and create a sense of holiday spirit throughout your street. Thank you for joining me on this festive journey through some of the most beautiful Christmas front porches. I hope you found inspiration to create your own magical space this season. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which porch style that you really love the most, which resonates with you. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next video.